What's up, y'all? Richard Guerra with Cincy Media here, representing 40 Tons at MjBizCon. Formerly incarcerated on nonviolent drug charges myself. We are in the 40 block, brought to you by Custom Cones USA today. And I'm hanging with my good buddy, Binesh Lalwani with Maven Genetics and Kush Alley. And Binesh, tell us a little bit about what you guys are doing in California and your role as well with the business.
My name is Binesh. I'm Director of Manufacturing for Kush Alley and Maven Genetics. We're a LA-based brand as well as a retail. We're legacy growers, all been growing for over 10 years in the industry. We became a brand about 5 years ago officially, which is known as Maven Genetics. We have 3 facilities in LA County, specifically San Fernando Valley. All 3 facilities have cultivations, distributions, manufacturings, and we as well have 2 retail stores in LA as well. One of them is known as the Maven store, and the other one is known as Kush Alley, which is our sister retail store. What Maven basically does is we grow high-end flower, top-shelf flower, and we use the best of our genetics that go into our brand, and we also bulk out flower as well. So another thing we do as well is we work with concentrates. So Maven makes distillate and rosin. So what we do is we do rosin, which is used for dabs, and distillate is used for our vape pens. Something that's really unique about our vape line is we use cannabis-derived terpenes, which we extract ourselves. We basically grow our own flower, CO2 extract the terpenes, and then reintroduce those terpenes back into the distillate later on to give you what we call a live distillate cartridge. It's really awesome because it's very different from other cartridges. Not only does it taste and smell like flower, but it gets you high like flower as well too, which is the #1 complaint about cartridges. We always strive to make the best. We've been entering a bunch of competitions this year. You'll see we won the Emerald Cup for Best Distillate Cartridge, Farmers Cup, as well as 2 High Times Cups.
And you run the lab there, right?
Correct. I'm Director of Manufacturing. I wear many hats with the company. I also do sales as well and try to do some brand ambassador work and letting people know what we're all about.
And what does MjBizCon and conferences like this do for you guys, and maybe you yourself? What do you come out here for?
So, the awesome things about these shows, not only is MjBizCon, but they have Hall of Flowers, is you're out here looking at new products, you're out here looking at new technology, but it's also the networking, which is amazing. You get to meet people, you get to reconnect with people that you haven't seen in years. MjBizCon is a beautiful event because people from all over the world come here, and everyone's in different aspects of the industry. People get so confused when you think you're a grower. Grower is the only thing in the cannabis industry, but there's everything from software to bags, to package your stuff, to packaging machines, to everything. So I think it's really important to come to these events, not only for yourself, but furthering yourself and your career in the industry.
And do you guys do any initiatives? Do you have anything? Have you partaken in like social good or social impact? Do anything social equity in California up to this point?
So we have done some stuff in the past. It's definitely something we'd like to touch base and work on some more. I'm all about giving back and standing up for people that have been locked up for this. I've been doing this for a long time. I used to live in Texas, and I actually moved to California because I didn't agree with the law so well in Texas because I kept getting arrested. And I think it's really weird that we have so many different laws in the same country. You can get arrested for something that you wouldn't get arrested for in Texas. It's insane, and I think it's kind of confusing to a lot of people, and especially with a plant like cannabis, which is has so many medical purposes and is so forgiving and helpful to people that I don't think it's fair for people to be locked up for it.
Amen. Well, 40 Tons, they can definitely help you out with that. We got ways to put some of that into the biz. But thanks for talking today. And where can we find you online or on Instagram?
You can find me on Instagram at clearly_Binesh. That you can see all my lab work there, my social media work, whatever we do, and just keep up to date. Also, we have Maven Genetics Official and Kush Alley Cultivation.
All right, and you can follow 40 Tons brand on IG, Cincy Media, Cincy Magazine. Thanks a lot, guys.
Daysavers is super excited to announce the partnership with 40 Tons on the 40 Tons Cones for a Cause edition, where 10% of proceeds go to the 40 Tons Foundation. This is on top of our existing Cones for a Cause charity line of cones, which started with the USA tipped cones, which go to veterans cannabis related charities, as well as the rainbow tipped flag cones, which go to LGBTQ pride related charity. Each pack of the cones for a cause come with 3 109 millimeter king size cones, and as with all Day Savers products, these are all carefully tested for heavy metals, pesticides, and microbials. If you're a retailer already carrying 40 tons products, you're definitely going to want to carry the 40 tons cones for a cause edition to sell to your consumers, as well as the USA Veterans editions, as well as the Rainbow Pride Tip edition. If you have any questions, these are all available for sale on daysavers.com. Please call or email us with any needs that you have.